Welcome again, designers. In this tutorial you will learn how to warp text around any subject in Photoshop 2023. Subscribe to my channel for more amazing tutorials. Let's start. First we will make selection of the subject. You can use any tool to select subject. Using Quick Selection tool, I will just click on Select Subject, and it will make the selection. We only need the outline of subject. Now go to Select and Modify, Expand. Keep the pixels around 60 to expand. To smooth the surface, go to Select, Modify, Smooth. Keep the pixels amount same as expand. To make a work path, open Lasso tool. Right-click and make work path. Keep the tolerance around 10 to make a smooth path. So using this path we will easily warp the text around subject. Open Type tool, and when you move cursor around the path, you will see a curved line, indicating the text around path. Click on it to warp text. Decrease text size to 48. Now for the repeated curves, you can repeat the same process for a new path, or just continue with the same path. For this subject shape I will continue with the same path. Press Ctrl+J to copy and press Ctrl+T to adjust. Make copies like this and adjust according to your subject. So this was a quick and easy tutorial. If you like this tutorial, don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Thank you for watching.